Hey guys, my name is Van. Today I gonna talk about 4-ways, 3-way switches and stairway. I have one 3-way switch, one 4-way switch. 3-way switch have 3 terminals. 1, 2, and 3. In my diagram, I have 3 terminals here. 1, 2, and 3. 4-way switch have 4 terminals. Each side 2 terminals connect directly. This side connect directly. In my diagram, one side 2 terminals here connect directly. Other side 2 terminals here connect directly. And I have other 3-way switch. So look at my circuit. I have 3 switches, 1, 2, and 3, and the light bulb here, and the short, 120 volt, hot and neutral. Okay, let's start. When I turn the toggle switch of switch number 4, switch number 2. Change direction inside for the circuit, because the 4-way switch they design when we turn the toggle inside that swap and change direction like this. Okay, so now we look at for the circuit. The source provide hot light past switch number 1. At number 2, the circuit change direction to this way and go to switch number 3. Stop right here. Call the light turn up. Keep doing that. We go to switch number 3 and turn the toggle, and I draw with the broken line here. And look at for the circuit. The circuit pass switch number 1, pass switch number 2 by this way, and pass switch number 3 with the new position by this way, and go to the light, got the light on. And now in number 3, the connection that should be like this. We go to switch number 1, turn the toggle switch, call change direction of the circuit inside. Look at for a circuit right now. Hot light pass switch number 1 by this way, go to number 2, go by this way, and go to number 3 and stop right number 3. And when it stop here, the circuit open, call the light turn off. We keep switching like that and we able to control the light turn on and off. That's all. That's easy with 3-way and 4-way switches to control the light. Thanks for watching.